G'day, Pimble here. CP6 by Mottura. This seems to be just passive interactive element for the key itself. This is a focus. It looks like a 3 case. So there's three rotors, and each one's got a higher and a lower pin, and then we've got 5. I originally thought 6, but I couldn't feel it. There's an interactive missing at the back, so we've got 5 top pins. So I'll give it a whirl. So in the previous attempts, get it into the false set, it's quite hard to set the spools out of it. So I'm trying to preset the spools. Hey.
What are you doing in here?
Me. Dog. That seems to be relatively hard to do. So the two that are tricky to get are on 3 and 5. Ooh. Just dropped a bunch of stuff, either from oversetting, or there's a couple of a little bit of interaction between the 2 spools. Tari nutbar. So I don't think we've got 3 set. Or 2. Oh, come on, play. Right, so 2's good. 5's good. So now we need to do 3, which seems to be hang on. Oh no, we're good. No, so it should just be the rotors, which I can't really see, to be honest. Oh yeah, there we go. Might try and use one of these thingamabobs. One of these. No, way too big. Go for a little wee one. Wow, they're different. Oh yeah. Not as big a movement as I thought. Okay. To be clear, I have not decoded the key or done anything like that. I'll never have a bloody clue. I'm trying to do these by feel. which is probably a silly idea. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I see. So gate 1, rotor 1 seems to be in a gate. Maybe I should use the end of my torch because I can actually see what's going on then. Sort of. Well, that's quite different, isn't it? Hmm. Hmm. There we go. So those are pretty cool. I tried to do that by feel. It's actually quite hard to get a gauge for, but it seems that if you go down the all in a row, and you can just push on each one, and I was just trying to see which one was clear, but I got a beautiful big false set. I must have been more of a false set, so I must have been quite close, and just went through and checked them all. So that was quite enjoyable, really. Quite a satisfying open, to be fair. Alright, so I'll close that up and figure out how to go this thing. Now, I'm just assuming this will be a bit interesting because I've got a bigger follower. There's pins and things all over the show here. We've got key control and blinking all sorts. I don't know what I'm doing, but let's go. Alright, so there's our top pins. See, this one's missing the interactive, which I guess is in the more hard out models. Now if these are our key control jobbies. So how am I going to do this? What's loose? I'll take out there. How about we take out the sidebar first? Oopsie. So there's the sidebar. And I'll take off. It's not autofocus on there. One of the gates is slightly rotated, but you can see the grooves vertically in the middle of the rotors. Maybe I should take out the rotors first. So that there, I'm just assuming it's some kind of key control, because it didn't really serve any function during the pick. This is rotor 1. What a little fatty. Rotor 2. Put these down here. Rotor 3. Now get on to top pin 1, top pin 2, top pin 3, top pin 4. Sorry, I should be saying keep in. So I've got a couple of torpedoes in there. Now there's our key control, key control, key control. Key control. Alright, so there's our core. There doesn't appear to be any rotation limiters in there, which is interesting, so you could get really messed up with the rotors. Really beautifully machined core. Man, that's quite something. So that's that, and then in here we have a, put those around there. Taper on 1, spool on 2, taper on 3, spool on 4, spool on 5, and springs. A couple of different grooves in there. Main slide bar groove down the bottom, and then a sharper, steeper groove at 180 and 270. Depending on how you look at it. Well, there you go. Pretty standard. No counter milling. Not that there would be. And a couple of torpedoes. And spools. These rotors are quite cool. So, one longer, one shorter pin. And the side bar groove, and the side bar itself has got pretty small elements that go into the grooves. Overall, a very enjoyable pick. Awesome, thanks for watching.